Oh my God, that's it. That's it, Daryl.
Damn, man.
That's it.
What, Brooke, what?
Oh my God.
Get somewhere. Don't, please, honey, please don't call. Listen, you need to get somewhere. I'm coming over Sunday, honey, I'm looking at it. Get in the back door. Listen, get him back, cover up. Get him back, cover up with it. Coming over Sunday, I'm looking at it. Please, cover up with something. I'm asking, anything you can find, go. Alright. It's coming over Sunday, Brooke, I'm watching it, honey.
Oh my God, Daryl, look at that.
Brooke. Please cover up good, please.
Just calm down.
All right, just stay hunkered down. Don't come out. Whatever you do, don't come out.
Come
stay.
on. Come on, come on.
Cover up with a mattress. Pull the mattress off the bed. I don't care. I'll fix it. Pull the mattress off the bed.
It's turning. It's turning.
If you're coming this way, get the mattress off the bed and get under it. Now. Get in the back up and get the mattress over you, folks. Okay, I love you. I gotta go, honey. Where's your keys, honey? Is your keys in your car? I gotta go. I gotta go check on my dog.
No. My keys ain't in my car.
Is Mandy's keys in her car?
Probably not.
I gotta go. Where's the camera?
Oh my God. It's turning. It's not a tornado. Calm down. It's turning. It's going that way. Holy fuck. God damn. Going that way. The wind's pushing it that way.